Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to update clock on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the digital clock on home screen. And okay guys, after that, click the three dot on the right side on your screen and click settings. And okay guys, here in clock settings, okay, below you can see the about clock. And okay guys, click about clock. And okay guys, here you can see the clock version is version 11.005.5. And okay guys, so here a new version is available. So if a new version is available to your mobile phone or Samsung Galaxy A02, you can see the update button is enabled. And okay guys, to update the clock on your Samsung Galaxy A02, you all have to do is click the update button here. And okay guys, after you click the update, okay, you can see the welcome to the Galaxy Store, and below you can see the agree button. You all have to do is click the agree button. And okay guys, now you can go to the Galaxy Store. And okay guys, here you can see the clock available to your Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay, we have to update the clock of my Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay, you'll have to do is click the update button here. And okay guys, the update is downloading and installing. Okay, you can see below. And okay guys, after that, you can see the open button. And okay guys, click open. And okay guys, after you click the open, click the three dot on the right side again. And click settings. And click the about clock in general. And okay guys, here my clock is updated into version 12.0. And okay guys, the latest version is already installed to my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully updated the clock on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.